Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to learn Figma basics quickly and easily. I'll walk you through every step from logging in to creating your first design element. Let's jump right in. So open your web browser and navigate to figma.com. Already logged in, so let me just walk you through. Click on login at the top right and type in your email and password. Then click login once more. And once you're logged in on the Figma dashboard, click on the Create button and click on Design File. A blank file opens automatically and you're now ready to start designing. And on the left side, you see the Layers panel, and this is where all your elements will be listed. Above this, there's an Assets tab where pre-made components are available. And at the bottom, there is the toolbar with tools such as Move, Frame, Rectangle, Text, and more. And when you hover over each icon, you'll see a tooltip with the tool name. Then on the right, you have the Inspector panel, where you adjust properties like color, effects, and size for any selected object. Now let's go ahead and create your first frame. So click the frame tool icon, or you can just press F on your keyboard. In the right sidebar under the frame section, you'll see preset sizes. Click on a preset such as desktop and you'll see the canvas to create a frame. In the layers panel, double click the frame's name, usually desktop 1, and type my first frame. Now let's try adding some basic shapes and text. You want to click on the rectangle tool in the toolbar. Click and drag inside your frame to create a rectangle. Now, with the rectangle selected, go to the right fill section in the inspector and click on the color box to change its color. Select the text tool from the toolbar. And you can click anywhere inside the frame where you'd like to add text. Okay. Let's type in hello Figma. Okay, let's highlight that. And we can also center this, change the font, and let's go with, let's see, oh, this looks nice, iceberg. Yeah, let's try iceberg. And then let's set this to, let's set this to 40. All right, let's also change the color of our text and change it to, see, yeah, that's okay. Great. And then also, let's go ahead and group the elements. And to do this, all you have to do is hold the Shift key and click on both the rectangle and text to select them together. You can press Control on Windows plus G to group them. You can also, in the Layers panel, double-click the group's name to rename it if needed. All right, let's go one step further and let's click on Ellipse. There we go. And all you have to do is draw a circle inside your frame. Let's see. Yeah. And then let's change the opacity to 25 and also change the color. Let's leave that there, and that will work for now. Let's try one more thing, and that's using the line tool. And we're going to draw a line. Let's see where. Think about here. Okay. Let's adjust its stroke weight. Let's put this to about 10. See, yeah, it's good. And also color. Great. And with that, Figma auto-saves your project in real time, but you can also click on File here and then click Save to ensure your work is backed up. And to export an element, you just have to select it. Let's select this and then go to Export. Click on the plus sign, then choose your file format. Let's leave it as PNG and then click Export. And we're exporting our ellipse 1 element. Great. Well, that's it. You've just learned the basics of Figma, from creating frames and shapes to adding text and grouping elements. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and tell me what you're designing next in the comments. Let's build something awesome together. Thanks for watching and have an epic day.